Hey guys, it's Czar joining you for the PPI month-over-month release. It's the news release that happens in about 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes now. I'm going to flip us back here to the 10-minute chart. We're going to watch this unfold. We'll look at the 10-minute and the 1 minute at the same time. See how this thing reacts or explodes even. This is the trade we just took this morning. It was a 24.5 point trade. Exited here, fortunately right at the top, and you'll see us do that actually fairly often. It's quite remarkable, and that's just, I say remarkable not because that's not patting on the back or anything. It's just the consistency of being able to take these moves off right near the top. It just has to do with our approach, and in my case, being many years in the markets and getting a feel for what an extension might look like, and this is symmetry and the proportion to it. Things like measured moves and just having a sense of things. That does come after, in your fourth decade of trading, you begin to develop a sense and an instinct for certain things, and that's not any woo or anything like that. It's just about tens of thousands of hours in front of the charts and watching market cycles and what have you. All right, here we go. News coming out in 20 seconds. In 20 seconds. Watching closely. 10 seconds to go. 10 seconds to go. Up or down. Your guess is as good as mine. This is clear sailing. And there it goes. And so the reason I had this arrow here earlier has to do with clean traffic and the market's ability to move very freely in the zone. And that's precisely what it's doing right now. It obviously likes what it saw, at least at first blush. That's a 102-point move, 103-point move right there on one candle. 103-point move. 109 points on one candle. And that's a 1 minute candle. This is the 10-minute chart, but the 1 minute candle is the same, right? It's right over here. $109.1 minute candle. Amazing. Nothing for me here in terms of trades. Just sending this off to my Telegram group. So the PPI month over month came in a little bit less than expected. It was up 8.0 versus the estimated 8.3. So 0.3% difference. And this is the way the market celebrates. Interesting. Market's up 3%. Big move. Big move. This is the celebration that inflation is over. And I can assure you it's not. Been there, done that. Seen this movie before. And see what the next few days or a week or two has to offer us. But in the meantime, maybe some opportunities to extract more profit. It's been a very profitable day so far in London, and New York hasn't even opened yet. New York cash market only opens in 55 minutes, right? Just under an hour. And we'll see what the New York players think of this little party celebration. Celebration of 0.3%, less than expected inflation. Remember, the month-over-month PPI is still 8%, and it was just that it was expected to be 8.3, and it came in at 8. And so this is a reason for mass celebration, apparently. Anyway, I won't beat a dead horse. I know. I think I might have already done that. But watch this. I'm going to put you on hold. It's on hold, I guess. Put you on pause for a minute here. Wait for this to pan out and see if we get a trade out of this. Be right back. Put you on pause. Okay, guys. So we're back here. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to get my headphones on there. And you can see many minutes have passed since the last time we talked. I think you were looking at this chart, this view last time I let you go, so we could allow these 30 minutes or so pass by. It's 9:05 now, 9:04, and looking for something here. I may even take a little scalp here on the downside, which you don't see me do too often in a configuration like this, but I think this can be worth the coin flip, as we say. I'd be looking for just a quick, I shouldn't say quick, I mean it's 20 points is a significant move here. Anyway, 20 points. Not yet. I'll tell you when. Now I'm just thinking this through. Watching this 10-minute as well. Put that back. Watching that 10-minute as well, which closes in 4 minutes and 45 seconds. All right. I'm going to wait for this. This is not live yet. Not live yet. This market's not even open yet. Okay, the market opens in 25 minutes. Sometimes it's possible to get a few points in the pre-market if the structure makes sense. All right, just watching this. Sorry, guys, I don't have much to say here. Just kind of watching, getting a feel for this move. All right, getting close here. My order's live now. Order is live now. And I may cancel at the last second. It depends on what happens. Depends on how it feels. Sometimes these candles, when they play out, you can get a sense for the speed or if they lack conviction. It's hard to explain until I see it. I can show you what I mean. Live order now. The 10-minute candle is closed in 1 minute and 45 seconds. That's a good thing. I would like to see it close up here if at all possible, a higher up, for a drive on the new candle. If that makes sense. Yeah, so I'm canceling this order now. I'm going to leave the marker there because I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm canceling this order now. I'm going to wait for this candle to close instead. All right, the order is no longer live. The order is no longer live, but the marker is still there. I'm going to show you. So even if this was tapped right now, I wouldn't be taken in, is what I'm saying. Because now I want to wait for this candle to close, given what I'm seeing in its behavior. See these wick rejections, wick, wick, and now this wick that was there still is there in a small way. So this might drive down now without me, and I'm okay with that. I would rather ride the drive on the next candle, on a fresh candle, on the 10-minute chart. It's just a more resourceful structure. There, that's a good pullback. Okay. Good, good. 5 seconds left on this candle. The candle's closed. Now we have a new candle. Now I want to see that wick up. There we go. This is in the pre-market. I normally don't trade the pre-market. Today's a little bit unique. Because of all this incredible action we've had, there are a lot of participants that are still sitting here watching all of this. Many of them spectators on the sidelines waiting for an opportunity. And this could be it. All right, 10-point flip, live order now. Give me 1 moment. Live sell stop right there, just for a wick fill for 10 points. Bit more than a 1-to-1. Live order now. Live order now for 10 points. In the trade. Watching, being very choosy with my trades today, which I always am, but particularly today, and had a very profitable morning as a result of it. Watching for that push. Patience. Stop to above current body. Well, stop to break even. And we're done. Trade is done, guys. Good work. Nice 10-point trade. Another 1 hour. It's a little bit more than 1 hour, but I'm going to say 1 hour because it was close enough. All right. Thanks for joining me, guys. We'll see you back here in the New York Open in about 15 minutes. We'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.